The first person to survive Alzheimer's disease is out there. And the Alzheimer's Association is going to make it happen by funding scientific breakthroughs, advancing public policy, and providing local support to those living with the disease and their caregivers. But we won't get there without you. Visit alz.org to join the fight.
We sing on Fridays at Morningside of the Meadows from 10:30 to 11:45. We are going to take a couple weeks off in early September, so there's a newsletter you can sign up for that will always have up-to-date rehearsal times. So we're going to sing familiar summertime. Favorites for you today, please do sing along. We're going to start with In the Good Old Summertime. We're going to sing that twice through.
In the good old summer.
It'll be easy, he said. Oh, okay. So next we're going to sing Home on the Range. There's a second verse that you might not know, but I know you will know the chorus. So please do continue to sing with us. We have any Astros fans in here because I didn't hear a rooting for the Astros. All right. This next song, Itsy Bitsy Teeny Weeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini, is one that we have had tons of fun with this year. We joked in the beginning about how we needed to have an Itsy Bitsy Teeny Weeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini with us. And one of our choir members, did you raise your hand? After finding out that her husband was okay after he fell, he was okay, she looked and saw what he was wearing. Yellow polka dot pajamas. So we brought the pajamas. They come to choir every week, and if we have a visitor, we make them wear the pajamas. But if you come, we won't make you. Here we go.
Can I have one more of this?
She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was as nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see.
2, 3, 4.
Tell the people what she saw. It was an itsy bitsy. She And so she sat bundled up on the shore.
2, 3, 4.
Tell the people what she wore. It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so in the blanket she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4. Stick around until you
More. Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and I wonder what she's gonna do. Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and the poor little girl's turning blue. 2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore. It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so in the water she wanted to stay. From the locker to the blanket, from the blanket to the shore, from the shore to the water. Yes, there isn't any more.
Before we sing our last song, I wanted to let you know a few more things about our choir. One, we know that music is amazing for our brain, whether or not we have any dementia, whether we have mild cognitive impairment, whether we're aging normally, but there is no normal aging, right? But, music is powerful, and it's especially wonderful for our caregivers and our people living with dementia to do together. It doesn't involve medications and bad news and long waits in the waiting room. Although sometimes I'm late, so they have to wait for me. But the other thing that's very, very good and exceptional for our mental health and our brain health is laughter. And if you can't tell, we spend a lot of time laughing as well. Sometimes I'm not sure if we do more laughing or singing. So please do consider joining us any Friday or every Friday. And we're going to sing one more song for you. We always end our rehearsals with this beautiful song called Let the Rest of the World Go By. Very innovative social programming and needs drivers, so please do volunteer, sitting or driving or both. Both.
That may be the only time I sing, when I drive, when the show. Oh, okay. Well, we'll be back here in about 5 minutes.